say he's about 3.5, maybe 4. Oh, that's a solid fish.
Let him move around a little bit more. Bring him back this way, quick, before he comes up. A little bit further, out away from the boat. There you go. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy.
Woo! Not bad for today. Not bad for today.
Boom.
Thank you, Johnny. Thank you, buddy. First one on the old Fitzgerald rod, and I gotta tell you, it was a hell of a ride.